Today's topic of lecture is local anesthetic. Local anesthetic. The definition of local anesthetic drugs means they are drugs which, upon topical application or local injection, can cause reversible loss of sensory perception, especially of pain in a localized area of the body. It blocks pain sensation from specific area of body, which means loss of sensory as well as motor impulses. So there will be no pain sensations upon the application of local anesthetic drugs. Local anesthetic agents can be used as a topical preparations or as a local injection. So what is the difference between block and infiltration? If we will talk about a block, which means a block is replacement of local anesthetic to a major nerve or a major branch of nerve that stops sensation from that point. But in case of infiltration, there is a placement of local anesthetic near the area you want to anesthetize. So in infiltration, the area affected will be the terminal branches of nerves. So if we discuss the structure of local anesthetics have an amine on one end of the chain and an aromatic ring on the other side. The amine end is hydrophilic and the aromatic end is lipophilic. The two groups are connected by mostly an ester or amide. So there is basically an amine group and an aromatic group. The amine and aromatic group will be connected either by an ester or by an amide group in major cases, but to in lesser known cases there may be ether group or maybe ketone group. So on the basis of their chemical nature, they are classified into two main classes. First are amide and the second esters. So esters have an ester link between the amine chain and aromatic end, and amides have an amide link between the amine chain and the aromatic end. So esters are aminoamides differ in metabolism, stability, and adverse effects. So if we'll discuss about ester functional group containing local anesthetic and amide functional group containing local anesthetic, then they will differ in metabolism, their stability, and adverse effects. Esters are metabolized in plasma, but amides are metabolized in liver. Esters are unstable in solution, but amides are very stable in solution. Esters are more safer than amides because they can cause lesser allergic reactions. The first local anesthetic agent that we are going to discuss is lidocaine, which is also known as lignocaine or xylocaine. So lidocaine is the first amide type local anesthetic that was synthesized under the name xylocaine by Swedish chemist Nils Lofgren in 1943. It was approved by FDA in November 1949. Here is the structure of lidocaine. If we'll discuss the IUPAC name of lidocaine, it's 2-diethylamino N2426 dimethyl phenylacetamide. It is a amide functional group containing local anesthetic. So the maximum recommended dose is 7 mg per kg body weight with epinephrine, and without epinephrine uh, its dose is 4.4 mg per kg body weight. So it has rapid onset of action, which means if we give IV injection of lidocaine, it will last 45. It will work in 45 to 90 seconds. It has more lipid solubility than procaine, and its duration of action is 1 to 2 hours. Now the mechanism of local anesthetic, basically they block sodium potassium ion channel. So they block the fast voltage gated sodium channel in the cell membrane, and so there is failure of transmission of potential, which leads to anesthetic effect. If we talk about pharmacokinetics, then it's absorbed Rapidly after parenteral administration, it will absorb from GIT and from respiratory tract. It is metabolized in liver and it is excreted by the kidneys in urine, whether it's metabolized or its unchanged form. So routes of administration, there are intravenous injection, sometimes combined with epinephrine. It can be administered as a dermal patch. The dermal patch preparations, which comes under the combination with prelocaine. It can be used as a nasal spray, which is combined with the phenylephrine. It can be used as topical gel. If Next is brand names. If we'll discuss about lidocaine systematic preparations, then it comes under the name of xylocaine HCl, Lidojet 1, xylocaine dental cartridges. Ophthalmics, if we talk about ophthalmics preparations, then brand name Acton. Topical preparations, there are Lidoderm, Lidocaine viscous, xylocaine jelly, or multi-ingredient medications containing lidocaines. There are Adenocaine FB, which is systematic preparation, Renu patch, and Vexa D, which is a topical preparation. Uses of lidocaine. So lidocaine is one of the most commonly used local anesthetic in dentistry. It can be administered in multiple ways, of mostly of used as a nerve block or infiltration depending upon the treatment carried out and area of mouth worked on. Lidocaine drops can be used on eyes for short ophthalmic procedures. It can be used in heart arrhythmia. It can be used for the treatment of neonatal seizures. Recommended intravenous lidocaine as a second-line treatment if phenobarbital fails to stop seizure. So it is a second-line drug in case of seizures. Next, inhaled lidocaine is also used as a cough suppressor. It is used to treat chronic pain and acute surgical pain for gastritis or for there is a viscous lidocaine formulation which may help with the pain. Next, it comes as a preparation amla, which is a lidocaine and prelocaine combination drug. This mixture is prepared by the lowering melting point of two solids and they are mixed at 25 degrees Celsius, and this oil emulsified into water to form a cream. So this is basically used as a dermal anesthesia, which is used to which is applied uh, to prevent pain in case of blood sampling, in case of surgical procedures, in case of mucous membranes, or and in case to numb the skin before tattooing as well as laser hair removal. Next, the overdose of lidocaine can cause seizure. It can cause arrhythmia, respiratory failure, hypertension, muscle twitching, bradycardia as well. There are various adverse effects associated with lidocaine, which is drowsiness, blurred vision, confusion, tremors, altered taste. The next drug which is used as a local anesthetic is procaine, which is a ester functional group containing local anesthetic having IUPAC name 2-diethylamino ethyl 4-amino benzoate. So it was first synthesized in 1905. It was created by chemist Alfred L. Hone, who gave the chemical the trade name Novocaine. So it is an ester anesthetic. It is metabolized in plasma by enzyme pseudocholinesterase hydrolysis into a metabolite para-amino benzoic acid, which is then excreted by kidneys into the urine. So it is a local anesthetic, most effective parenterally, but relatively weak when applied topically, which has a slow onset of action and short duration of action. Mechanism of action is same. It blocks sodium potassium ion channel and thus inhibiting generation of action potential. Uses, it is most commonly used in dental procedure to numb the area around the tooth. It is also used to reduce pain of intramuscular injection of penicillin. Today, it's a therapeutically used in some countries due to sympatholytic, anti-inflammatory, perfusion enhancing, and mood enhancing effects. So it is a vasodilator drug effect. It has a vasodilator effect, and that's why it is co-administered with epinephrine for the purpose of vasoconstriction. 1% procaine injection has been recommended for the treatment of extravasal complications associated with venipuncture, steroids, and antibiotic. It has adverse effects like application of procaine lead to depression of neural activity. Depression causes the nerve system to become hypersensitive, producing restlessness and shaking, leading to minor to severe convulsions. So, studies on animals have shown use of procaine lead to the increase of dopamine and serotonin level in brain. So, nervousness and dizziness can arise from excitation of central nervous system, which may lead to respiratory failure if overdose. It can also induce weakening of the myocardium and leading to cardiac arrest. Procaine can cause allergic reactions, and it can cause problems with breathing like rashes, swelling, and various allergic reactions, which may not in response to procaine but due to its metabolite PABA. It comes under brand names. If we talk about systematic preparation, it comes under names Novocaine, Maricaine, and in case of combination preparation, it comes under name of penicillin G, Procaine, Vilicinin, Minovazin, Minocaine 2%, which is used as veterinary purposes, Idol, Otopax, etc. So the next drug which we are going to discuss is Vanjocaine, which is another local anesthetic agent. It is a ester drug having IUPAC nomenclature, ethyl paraminobenzoate. So it has chemical formula C9H11NO2. It has low water solubility. It is a free ester, primarily used as a free ester, and it can apply to a damaged skin. It comes under brand names Benzoticomedia, Oticaine, Pinacaine. It is mostly used as topical purposes, and it is used as topical pain remover or in cough drops. It is also used in ear drops. It has onset of action about 1 minute, and its mechanism of action is inhibition of sodium potassium channel, and hence stopping propagation of action potential. It has drug interaction with cholinesterase inhibitors and sulfonamides. In case of cholinesterase inhibitors, the metabolism of ester derivative local anesthetic may be inhibited, which may lead to increased risk of systematic toxicity when it is administered to a patient receiving a cholinesterase inhibitor. So it can cause systematic toxicity. In case of sulfonamide, it may inhibit the antibacterial activity of sulfonamide because of its metabolite PABA. So applications, it can apply to damaged skin, it can used in otic pain, it can used as a local anesthetic of oral and pharyngeal mucous membrane. It suppress vomiting. So it is slowly absorbed from the site of application, which provides more safety and longer duration of action. In case of dose, it can be used in case of bee stings, minor burns, sunburns, insects bites. So there are various preparations available in case of like in case of mouth and gum irritation. It can apply as 10 to 20% solution formulation. In case of sore throat, 2 to 3 drops with water every 2 to 3 hours. In case of dental pain, it can used as 2.5 to 2% solution, and it can also used as a in case of premature ejaculation. Side effects, there are various side effects associated with Benzocaine. It can produce allergic reactions. It can cause methemoglobinia condition. It can cause seizure. It can cause coma, irregular heartbeat, respiratory depression. It increases the risk of pulmonary aspiration. It can cause contact dermatitis and anaphylaxis. तेजा मेरा फोन ले गया तू. So in this screen we can see various symptoms of methemoglobinemia, which is headache, fatigue, breathing troubles, and skin color change. So the treatment for this condition is administration of methylene brew as intravenous injection, or taking ascorbic acid 100 to 200 mg orally.